YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Tez back with another video, and as you can see, we had a little exhaust shop, and we got the 335 right there. So today we're going to be adding mufflers to my exhaust because I'm fully straight pipe, no secondary cat. I have catless down pipe, and it just sounds trash. Originally, this is not my original exhaust. I took this exhaust from somebody because I wanted the tips that was on this exhaust. So I didn't know that this exhaust had the secondary cats removed, and I put it on my car and it just sounded trash. Like, it's drony, around 2,000 RPMs, it's raspy, and it sounds disgusting. I don't like it at all. I've been riding around with it for as long as I could, but today we're gonna add we're gonna be adding the mufflers onto the car, and it should quiet it down a lot. And we're gonna be getting the stock, the aftermarket tips I had put back on it, so it should sound way better, eliminate that rasp and have a nicer tone to it and actually sound good. So I'm excited to see how it sounds with just secondary cats removed and catless downpipes with the stock muffler. So I'm curious to see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. So we about to film this whole process. So yeah, he just took those off, as y'all can see. He just took those off. Oh, is there any way I can keep that like that?
Keep it like that, don't hook it up there.
Is it, it's flaps, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's flaps, it'll close and open? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can actually put that on, that's fine.
Put it on?
Yeah, it's fine. If anything, I'll just take it back off if I don't like the way that it sounds.
Yeah. All you gotta do is take it back off and use a little screw.
And just plug it back in there?
Up in there. But make sure you put something in the end of it.
Okay.
If you take it off there, make sure you put something in the end of it.
Okay.
There's a drawback air.
Okay. All right, so yeah, as you can see, all the way up there, catless downpipes, resonators are going, muffler delete. That's my exhaust setup, stock exhaust setup. So yeah, we about to put these back on there because like I said, it sounded trash. It sounded disgusting. But yeah, man, so. I think it's gonna sound good. I'm excited. I haven't seen any videos with this type of exhaust setup on this stock 335 exhaust. But yeah, I'm excited. The car is dirty. super dirty. I told you I was gonna be hitting y'all with content, man, back and forth. Like I said, we got that nice tire. Wheels fit pretty well. I'm gonna put some spacers on the front of the car, because I don't know if you can see that tuck. It doesn't really look at them, but 10mm spacers in the front. Today, actually. Yeah, today. Well, no, Sunday, probably Sunday. But I'll be recording that video as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna let them do that. Should time lapse it. But yeah. All right, I couldn't get them taken off the other part. But yeah, they just cut both off, and they're about to install the muffler right now. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so right now they just finished. That's how it looks. They took the other tips off and put my 4-inch tips on here. Looks good. He just finishing everything up, making sure the welds is good and everything. But yeah, it looks good. It looks real aggressive from the rear because of the muffler. Look good though. excited to see how it sounds. Took that rasp away. All right, he about to go try to start it. Said look aggressive with that stock muffler. I replaced this inner light because it was out. So I need to clean this off. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off. That car was dirty. See how this thing sounds. Oh, that's quiet. Oh. That sounds good. There's no more rasp. That sounds good, bro. I'm happy. Lord have mercy, you know I'm happy. Thank God it don't sound raspy no more. Lord. Sound good. Now I just gotta clean it. It's low. Oh my gosh. It's quiet. Yes. Oh my gosh, it sounds good. It quieted it down. Yep. Alright guys, for the most part, it's like, it sounds stock. It sounds just like stock. You can hear it a little bit, but for the most part, what the hell is going on over here?
Turn left onto Jimmy Carter Boulevard.
But I'm gonna get on it so you guys can hear it. But it definitely does sound stock, because usually around 2,000 RPM it would be raspy and sound trash. So it's a little raspy, but it's not much. For the most part, it's like way more quiet. So yeah, I can downshift. You can't even hear me downshifting. Sound stopped. Oh my gosh. But it's better than what I had, so I mean it's way better daily driving this than that with no exhaust, fully straight pipe. I'm happy. Yeah, so for the most part, this is how it sounds. Super quiet, bro. Even when I got on it, it was quiet. It's really tame, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, I was about to say I'm happy with it. I'm happy for the results and everything. So it's a full-on sleeper now, because it's as quiet as it is now. You'll be like, whoa, why is it that fast? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We up out of here again. I hit y'all with another banger. Let's go.
Hey, did this by my lonely? Hey, I've been staying low key. Hey. Dead presidents, my homies. I've been high smoking O's, these are OG. Ay. I've been getting no sleep.